guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keep It Up with Kris, and tonight I am bringing you guys another Ipsy unboxing. So I told you guys in my last Ipsy unboxing, if you didn't see that one, I'll link it here, but I told you guys I was going to show you my October and November box. So I don't know how I began so behind, but listen, don't judge me. I'm getting it up, okay? So yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I got in these two videos so that when I get my, I think my December box is an icon box, and yeah, that's definitely gonna be a thing. So I was like, let me show the girls, you know, what I got in this video. So let's go ahead and get to it. Like I said, it's two boxes, but these are also two regular boxes, so it's only 5 items each, so we're gonna be quick. All right, so I still got the tissue paper and everything, girl. Okay, so this is the October box. So in the October box, you know what, y'all, I had completely forgot about I don't even know if I even looked at this, y'all. Like, so this is a real life unboxing. Like, it's open. I don't remember any of these items. Okay, so here we go. The first item that I got was the it's from Ace Beauty, and it is a set of, y'all don't be judging my nails, okay? It's a 4 set of makeup brushes. So I love the color, very bright, very pretty. I'm about to put these right over there now because let me tell you something. My least favorite thing to do in this world is clean my makeup brushes. So these ones about to go in rotation like ASAP. And as always, I will make sure that I put all the products that I received in the description box below. Okay, so let's put this over here. So the next item that came in my October box was a Dew of the Gods Dream Quake Lavender and Chamomile Relaxation Body Scrub. Okay, first of all, Dew of the Gods is my best. It makes my skin so glowy and fresh looking. Like, I don't really know how to describe it, but y'all need to, don't sleep on Dew of the Gods, okay? Don't sleep on her. Pretty packaging, pretty, the lavender color is perfect for the lavender and chamomile that is in this product, and you can feel how grainy it is just in the package. Like, I love this. This is about to go in my bathroom too today. Okay, so we also got a product from Tula Skincare, So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. This is what it looks like, and it's from the Sean Johnson East collection, I think. It's So Pumpkin. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute, y'all. I do not remember these products at all. This is super cute. This is the product. I'm waiting for it to focus, but yeah, let me see. I wonder, it's probiotics and superfoods. So let me smell it. It does smell pumpkin-y. I love that. I love that for me. Okay, I do. So I love a good, so when I get scrubs in my BoxyCharms, this is something that I actually really look forward to getting because I actually use them. I like to do a face scrub like once a week, and not just a mask, but like an actual scrub of your skin, like my entire body. I need to do a scrub at least once a week, or I just don't feel clean. Like, I just don't. So this next product that I got is from the Aloe Glow System Amla Powered Clean Beauty Luminizing Face Moisturizer. Okay, y'all, so this is super annoying, but my camera died. So I had to like try to let the camera charge. It wasn't charging. Yeah, it was just so really bad. It was just so bad. So let's just finish these ones. So I'm filming this from my phone, so if it looks different, I apologize. This is a 15 Pro Max though, so it should be fine, but we'll see. So I was telling you guys about the Aloe Glow System with Amla. It has Amla Powered Clean Beauty Luminizing Face Moisturizer with Amla Aloe and botanicals. It illuminates, softens, and nourishes. And this is good because I need a new face moisturizer. Like, I feel like I've just been using random samples, like just random stuff. So I'm just like, okay, let me just buckle down. So let me see what this looks like. This is what it looks like. If it will come out. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice. And it's like a glass. This is a glass container. And the product, yeah. It smells good, regular white. It feels similar to the Kiehl's facial moisturizer. So yeah, if that. Ooh, and it's very thick, which I like a thick moisturizer because I feel like it's not just like sitting like on top of your face, like if that makes sense. I don't know. So I'm gonna be adding this into my routine, and yeah. So let me put that back. And then the last thing in this October box was the Ofra Beauty Bienvenidos a Miami Mini Mix Face Palette. So this is what the palette looks like. And then these are the colors. So you have Vice, Magic City, Cafecito, Dale, Ocean Drive, and 305. And they have 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers, which I think are super cute. Because they have the colors like if you like wanted to try for like vacation. I think this is super cute. And I'm gonna put these with the, I actually, remember I told y'all I need to film my, I need to show y'all all the makeup and brushes and stuff that I have because I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. Like it's kind of insane. Okay, so this box is empty. This is what the inside of, this is what their packaging looks like if I never told y'all. So toss this over there. Boop. All right, so y'all, I'm drinking some kombucha. It's my new fave. All right, now we got the November box. Okay, so I guess, okay, wait. So I'm guessing that this is the Icon box. So we have, apparently we have a couple of items by the Pat McGrath. So we love a Pat McGrath. We love Auntie Pat, as my girl Jackie Aina would say, okay? I don't know, y'all. My lighting is real weird right now. This is crazy. But we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna roll. So for the first item that we have is definitely from Pat McGrath Labs, the Divine Rose Luxe Quad Eternal Eden Eyeshadow Quad. So this is the packaging. And this is like the 3rd try. If I don't get it this time, please. Okay, so I was opening up my the Pat McGrath Labs item that we just looked at. I'm so confused right now, y'all, because my camera have died like 3 times. So I'm like, what the heck? But this is the product by Pat McGrath, and it is the eyeshadow quad. So it's 4 colors, and these are the colors that she is giving us, okay? I personally, as you can see, like a rosy look, especially sometimes like for evening looks. I don't know, I just like them. So I honestly, I know a lot of people like neutral colors, but I think that I probably will use this palette. So, and it's gorgeous. So actually I was under the impression that the December box was the Icon box, but apparently this box is the Icon box. So in my October box, I got the Aloe Glow System, the face moisturizer. Well, in this one, the Aloe Glow System, which is also Amla powered, is the Superfruit Moisturizing Body Lotion. And it has Amla, Arnica, and coconut oil in it. And this is what the packaging looks like. So it's also packaged up, but I just like to smell my lotion because I'm a lotion girl. So yeah. So the next product that we got is from Avant Beauty, and this is a long one. So this is the Mandelic Hydrolyzed Wheat Protein. Well, actually it is a toner. So it's a proactive mandelic acid restoring and anti-pollution toner. So let's see what we got. Oh, this is pretty. And you use this, you know, after you have like cleaned your face really good and you want to just go that extra mile to get pollution and just to tone your face. So that's when you would use this. I love that it just looks so clean, because it's telling you that, you know, nothing's in this. Like, this is what you want for your face. So the next item that we have is another item from Pat McGrath. So it looks like we got 2 items from Pat McGrath Labs. And this is the Dark Star Mascara. Y'all, I have so many mascaras, like, and they're all new. I just keep getting them. So this is what the packaging looked like. And this is what the actual product looked like. It's so pretty and dainty with the pink writing. And then here's what the wand looks like. So yeah, I already know I'm gonna love this. So my favorite part of doing these hauls is actually taking the products and integrating them into my routine. Like the lip colors that I have on right now, I'm not a fan of it, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different so that it didn't look so bland and blasé on camera. But yeah, so this is the next product is from Ace Beauty. This is the packaging, and it is a hydrating face primer. And you obviously put this on before you put your makeup so that your face is not completely dried out. Like after you, you know, we all know how the makeup goes. So you don't want your face to be dried out, because then you also want a smooth application, and then you also don't want to damage your skin. So it's like a win-win if you can use a moisturizer or a primer. If your primer is moisturizing, then you really got a winner, and that's what this one says that it is. So the next product is Baya. It's called BV Beauty Vault. That's the brand, and it's a lip liner trio. So this is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, why is it not coming out? That's odd. Okay. So then you got 3 colors, and these are the colors. So that's decent. Let's see. Very pigmented. Ooh, girl. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. Ha! Very pigmented. And you know what I mean by that if you apply lip liner, which you should be. But you know, to each his own. But yeah, every single one of these, honey, pigmented. Look at that. These are lip liners, baby. Lip liners. Like, girl, stop playing. Don't play with Vault Beauty, okay? Beauty Vault. Don't play with them. Okay, so the next thing that I have is from Alot Beauty, and it's the Colorette Concentrate Skincare Infused Liquid Blush. So I was just talking to one of my friends about liquid blush, and now they have one. So this is what the packaging looks like. And let me see. Okay, and so it has this little puff, like puffy. I'm not gonna try to put this on. I don't feel like doing this tonight, but the colors, so you gotta push it on. I don't know how I feel about this packaging. I don't know, because I don't know, like, you gotta push this on. It's not like an unscrew. You gotta push it on, which I feel like you would be pushing product out, like, while you're trying to get it out. But I don't know. The color that they gave me is Guava Mama, so I'm assuming it's like a peachy looking, like a more peachy red. So, all right, so the last product, this is the last product. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. Okay, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. This is the last one for this haul. Let's open her up. So this is the perfect, it's called the Quick Flick. That is the brand. This is the product, and it's by the Quick Flick, and it's for perfect wings, and it is an eyeliner stamp and it's a felt tip eyeliner pen. So let's open this up. Oh, it's 2 products in here. So you have a stamp and a wing, I think. Okay. So this is what the girl on the box looks like, and this is what your eyes should look like. And I'm all for a good wing. So let me see. So they have a white, okay. So you have two of these because there's a left one and a right one, which I think is cool. And this is what the stamp looks like. I want to see. Oh my God, look at that. Y'all look at this. What do you mean? What do you mean? And then I guess you have, if you're drawing on your line, okay, yeah, it's pretty thick and it's really black. Oh, I'm definitely gonna try this out. Definitely gonna try it out. So this is the pencil. And that was just one flick. One flick, if you can see it. And then I literally just tapped the pen. Look at this, y'all. Let me do it right here. Look. What? What? What side is this? Okay. Well, that's all that I have for these two boxes. Like I said, these were October and November. And I will be showing you guys what I get in my December box. That'll be the last box of 2023. And I will let you guys know what I have. If you made it this far, thank you so much for sticking with me and supporting me and watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.